New at 5 o'clock, the former girlfriend of Fotis Dulos found herself back before a judge today, and we learned a fellow suspect will take the stand against her. Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland was inside the courtroom this morning and is joining us now live with the mobile newsroom with all the details. Matt.
Well, Aaron, this was another virtual appearance, but when the judge told Michelle Troconis to turn the camera on her computer, well, the monitor that was set up inside the courtroom, unfortunately, we still weren't able to see the defendant. While we're told she was there, a small black square with the initials MT is all journalists saw on the monitor set up inside Stamford Superior Court for Michelle Troconis' latest appearance. Prosecutors want to combine her 3 charges: hindering prosecution, tampering with evidence, and conspiracy to commit murder into one case.
Look, you have one case where it's more that's gruesome and the others aren't. There's a more likelihood a jury's going to say, well, look at all these different charges. You put these cases together, if there's evidence of one, it's more likely going to convict of something just because of combining. That's the danger.
Jennifer Farber Dulos, a missing mother of 5, disappeared back in late May of 2019. Police say her estranged husband, Fotis Dulos, who committed suicide last year, killed her, and that his then-girlfriend Troconis, along with his friend and attorney Kent Mawhinney, conspired with him. Today in court, we learned the state plans on putting Mawhinney on the stand.
We don't have a star witness. Attorney Mawhinney's statement is one piece out of many pieces pointing to the defendant's guilt in this case.
Yet that's not stopping John Schoenhorn, Troconis' attorney, from questioning if a deal was made when Mawhinney was released on bail back in the fall.
And if it comes down to, did Mr. Mawhinney sing for his supper, to use an old phrase, and that's why he got out.
Schoenhorn, who also filed a motion requesting a change of venue, also alleges the state's case against his client contains misleading and false information, and that some was intentionally left out. A charge the state denies, saying it's all laid out in the arrest warrants.
The state is not required to hold defense counsel's hand and walk him through every piece of evidence explaining how the state intends to use it at trial and what witnesses it intends to call. He's got to put in the legwork to actually preparing his own defense. We don't have to prepare it for him.
Now, today in court, the judge did deny the defense attorney's request to remove Michelle Troconis' GPS ankle monitoring bracelet. He says she's a mother. She goes out to Colorado, where her daughter is a competitive skier. He says the bracelet on the ankle prevents her from going on a ski lift to accompany her daughter. He said he denied that, but he said he would reconsider if probation does have the technology that will allow them to put it on her wrist. As for the 2 motions that they discussed today, combining the cases into one case and also a change of venue, the judge said he will file his written decision in the coming weeks. We're live with the mobile newsroom. Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.